Thank you so much for tuning in to Saucy ASMRs and Mukbangs. So what we're going to do today is we're going to have a burping fest. Yes, this is a requested video. You know who you are. I don't normally drink pop, but I will drink this. So I'm going to do this again. Hopefully this can produce mega burps. Okay? All right. So here we go. Listen real good, okay? Listen. Listen, here it comes, Oh, I thought it was gonna go shh. Anyway, I made my own. Hope you guys are doing well today. Feeling well, being well, and eating well. That wasn't a good one. Oh. I feel so silly. Ooh. So y'all tell me something good. I'll be right back because I'm going to eat. I got to go get me a snack that may produce more. I'll be right back. So this is an ASMR burping one. I'm eating seaweed too. Oh, excuse me. Forgive me, I have allergies. Let's see, they so good, babe. Usually once I close the video out, I go on Burping Fest. So I'm gonna wait a little while.